What is up, everyone? Here is a little video that I want to make before OMS 11A comes out. So, basically, I'm going to pour Pepsi Max Cherry into this glass and film it in slow-mo with my phone. And we're going to try and get a cool slow-mo shot on the Coke. I'm going to turn the flash on. So, okay, it's recording. So, let's pour it into the glass in 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're going to keep going. Alright. Okay. Let's take a look at the slow-mo footage. That is some pretty amazing footage. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video when OMS 11A comes out. See ya!